Named and centered around a century-old heritage-protected fig tree, Casa Figueira is a residence that settles into its surroundings. Quietly secluded at the end of a cul-de-sac in the harborside neighborhood of Rose Bay in Sydney, the topography of the site provides direct views of the harbor and the city beyond. Designed by the firm buck&simple, the house draws references from the mid-century Brazilian aesthetic, with the living spaces in direct connection with the outdoors and shaped by robust materials. Exposed concrete ceilings with board-marked texture contrast with American walnut woodwork, framing and directing the experience toward the exterior and the carefully cultivated landscaping. Generous open-plan living areas are organized into functional nodes that fold around a central courtyard. The main pavilion is dominated by a single-piece stainless steel kitchen countertop and a monolithic timber block, creating a physical and cultural center. Discrete lines of joinery conceal a complex layout. Service areas, equipment, guest suites, powder room, all remain hidden so that the main spaces can be enjoyed without interruptions. On the opposite side of the kitchen, the pavilion ends in a sunken lounge that becomes a space for living, relaxing, and sharing. To break the formality and the minimalist, restrained approach, specific details and materials were introduced. The etched bronze entrance door, the curved skeletal foyer staircase, the steel-ribbed open fireplace, the hand-sewn sunken lounge, custom lighting fixtures, and floating joinery in front of slim profile glazing. Each element encapsulates the function of a space: to welcome, to retreat, to gather, to converse, to eat, to work. Casa Figueira was built to withstand the passage of time and to age gracefully against the backdrop of the fig tree that gives it its name. The house exudes an estate-like atmosphere, relaxed in its role as a family home and a refuge from the city's bustle.